Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to open Bybit Demo Account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type bit.com. This will end you on the official website of Bybit, where the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on this login button, and after providing your email address and your password, you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you need to hover over derivatives, and here you will be able to see the option of demo trading, or you can simply see the option of demo trading on the main page. So you just need to click on demo trading and then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you, where you just have to do nothing, just wait for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Once this process is done, you can see your demo account will be started and you can use it in order to trade on Bybit before using your actual money in trading. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.